Hey guys, Vlad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Live Event Blaster 2. Now, the first thing that you need to do before doing anything else is to click on Settings, and right here you need to enter a YouTube API, client ID, secret, and API key. Now, don't worry, maybe this sounds complicated, but it's not. Click here to create an API key, and a new video will open that will explain in 3 minutes how to create these details. You simply need to go to your Google Developers Console and create a client ID, secret, and API key and paste them here. So this is very easy to do. After you enter the client ID, secret, and API key, all that you have to do is click on Save and Close. Next, you need to add your first YouTube account. So click on Manage Accounts, and right here click on Add Account. A new window will open that will look like this. The first thing that you need to do is enable live streaming on your account. Please note there is a chance that this is already enabled. So let's go on YouTube. After we log in, we click on the icon from the top right, we select the channel that we want to use, we click on Creator Studio. Next we go to live streaming right here. Now in case you see a page that looks like this, so welcome back and offline or online and maybe a thumbnail. Now in case you see this means that you already have live streaming enabled. Let me go to a second channel, because each channel that you want to add to Live Event Blaster, each channel needs to have streaming enabled. So I'm going to click on the second channel that I have, and as you can see, if I click on Stream Now, I see this page. Go live anytime for any reason, and we need to hit Get Started. So hit this button to enable live streaming. Sometimes it can take up to 24 hours to enable live streaming. So after you have live streaming enabled, I'm going to go back to the account that has live streaming enabled. So after you do that, you go back to Live Event Blaster and we move to step 2. We need to copy this link in our browser. We can either click here to open the link, or we simply select the entire link, we right click and we click copy. Now we move back in our browser and we paste the link right here. Now we need to select the account that we want to add to Live Event Blaster. Next we select the channel. So again, don't forget, you need to enable live streaming to all the channels that you want to add to Live Event Blaster 2. So I'm going to select this channel. Now I'm going to hit allow, and we are going to have a code. All that we have to do is copy this code. We can select it and right click and copy. Now we move back to Live Event Blaster, and in step 3 we paste in the code right here. So we simply paste the code here and we click Add My Account, and that's it. The account is added in Live Event Blaster 2. All that we have to do now is add a new item that will be published as a live event on YouTube. To do that, click on Add New Item. Now you need to enter the title, the description, the tags, the keywords, and everything else. So let's start with the title. I'm going to type the title right now. Next we enter the description. We recommend on the first 3 lines of the description to enter something very relevant to the live event. For example, a call to action like call us now, or visit us on website, or check us on Facebook. So now we enter the rest of the description. I'm only going to leave it like this because this is just a training video. And let's check the new options that are available in Live Event Blaster 2. We have link wheel. If we click on add link wheel, this term, so the link wheel term, will be replaced with the link of the event that we previously uploaded using Live Event Blaster. So let's say we have 2 live events. When we publish the first live event, this term will be replaced with nothing because we didn't upload anything before. But starting with the second live event, this link wheel term will be replaced with the link of the previously uploaded event. In our case, the link of the first event. If we upload a third event, this term will be replaced with the link of the second event that we uploaded, and so on. This is very useful because you can link events together and you can give them a good boost in rankings. We also have the option Add Hashtags. Now before we add this, let's enter our tags. So I'm going to enter the tags right now. Now if we add the option Add Hashtags right here, this term will be replaced with all the tags, but with a hashtag in front of them. So it will look like this, exactly like I'm showing you right now. So this term will be replaced with this and all the other keywords with a hashtag in front of them. By doing this, you will get a good boost in the SEO of your description. Now, the last thing that we can add is add Wikipedia. So in this case, you can see wiki, enter keyword here. We need to replace this term with the keyword that we want to link from an article from Wikipedia. So if we enter plumber right here, what Live Event Blaster will do is it will go on Wikipedia, search with the word plumber, and it will give us this article. So this term, wiki plumber, will be replaced with this thing. You can include multiple terms like this with no problem. For example, wiki New York. If we add this will be replaced with a Wikipedia link redirecting to New York article. So it will be replaced with this. So this is again very useful because it will give authority to your live event and to the description of your live event. Alright, now we need to enter a keyword. Now this keyword will be used when retrieving the rankings for Google and for YouTube. If you don't specify a keyword right here, it will search with the title on YouTube and it will tell you on what position your live event is ranking. So in this case, let's go with this keyword. Next, we need to select a category. I'm going to leave it with entertainment, and we select the stream date. So in this case, I want the stream date, so the live event will transform to a regular video after Live Event Blaster 2 will stream a video file to it. So let's stream it in 3 months. So in 3 months, we need to have Live Event Blaster open, and when the due date arrives, it will stream the video file to the live event. Please note, when streaming a video file to the live event transforms to a regular video. So sometimes, if your live event ranks good, don't stream the video, simply leave it as a live event and people will check your description and you will get calls and you will get visitors to your website. Now, you need to select the thumbnail. So the thumbnail is the image that will be used for the live event or for the YouTube video. So all these that you see are thumbnails for YouTube live events and videos. You can either select a single image file, you can browse for it from your PC, or you can use our dynamic thumbnail generator. This is another great feature that has been added in Live Event Blaster 2. We click on Use Dynamic Thumbnail Generator, and by using this, we are automatically going to generate a thumbnail. Let's select a great background. So this looks very good. We enter a phone number. Now we select a call to action. As you can see, we have a lot of call to actions. Right here is just the preview. The final image will have 1280 by 720 pixels. So let's select a good call to action. This looks very good. You can select different positions if you want, but I'm going to keep it like this. Now, if you want, you can change the background of the text. You can set it to transparent. You can set it to orange or whatever you want. And all that you have to do now is click on Save. Now we need to select the video file. This video file will be streamed to the live event when the due date arrives, when the stream date arrives. So let's click on Browse, and we need to already have this video file on our PC. We are going to select the video file. Now, in case you have a directory with 100 videos and you add a lot more events, you can select the option Use a random video file from the folder. If you use this option, Live Event Blaster will pick one random video file from this folder. Now, another cool new option that has been added in Live Event Blaster 2 is to stream the video file multiple times. Let's say you have a video that has 3 minutes, but you want to stream that for 60 minutes. Well, that's not a problem. You simply enter 20 times right here, and it will mean it will stream the video for 60 minutes because it will stream it for 3 minutes, and when it reaches the end, it will restream it from start. So this is very useful, especially if you want to create, for example, 24/7 live streams. You can enter right here 900 times, let's say, and the video file will be looped again and again to the live event 900 times. But in this case, I will only enter one time. And now we select the account that we want to stream. Because we have the standard version of Live Event Blaster, we only have one account. But if you have the Pro version and you have multiple accounts added, right here you can select multiple accounts or the account that you want to stream the event on. So all that we have to do right now is click on Add New Item. That's it, the item is added in our list. Now to publish the live event, all that we have to do is select the event, click on Update, and click on Upload Unpublished Items. Now, because I only have one event and I selected it, I'm going to stick with this option, Start Only on Selected Items. This is very useful. Let's say you have 20 events, but you only want to publish 2 events. You select the 2 events and you use this option. So let's click on Start. And right here in a few seconds, 3, 4, 5 seconds, we are going to see that the live event is published. That's it. It's posted on YouTube. As you can see, you have a blue check mark, and this means that the live event is posted on YouTube. If you double click on it, as you can see, this is the thumbnail of our live event. It has been generated automatically. We have the description right here, and everything looks perfect. Now let's say that you don't like the title and you want to change it. No problem. You go back to Live Event Blaster, you right click on the item, you click on Edit Item, and let's edit the title a bit. We hit Edit Item, and now we hit Update, and right here we have an option to update the title, the description, and the tags of the published items. We click on Start, and that's it. Let's go back to the YouTube live event. Let's refresh this page, and as you can see, the title has been updated, all from Live Event Blaster 2. Now I'm going to go more in depth and show you all the powers of Live Event Blaster 2. It's very easy to duplicate an existing live event. You right click on it and you hit duplicate. Now you can do that multiple times, and for each event you can change just a bit of everything. Let's say we change the description a bit, we enter a different phone number, maybe a different site, we can enter whatever you want. We can edit the second event and so on, and after we edit everything, we select the events that we want to publish, we click on Update, we select the option Upload Unpublished Items, and click Start again. Live Event Blaster will go through each event that we selected and it will publish it on YouTube. As you can see, the second event has been published, and right now the third event is published, and that's it. So we just published 3 live events on YouTube. Now, of course, after you publish the live events, you want to see if they rank on YouTube. What you can do is select the live event, click on Update, and click on Check Publish Items. We select Start, and it will go on YouTube, it will search with our keyword or with our title and tell us if the live event ranked. Now in this case, this is just a training video and I entered a dummy title, description and tags, so of course it didn't rank in the first 200 results on YouTube. But with your events, because you are going to focus on them and you are going to select the perfect titles, description and tags, I'm sure you are going to have a lot of good rankings. The software can also tell you if the YouTube live event ranks on Google. To do that, you click on Settings and you select this option. You need to check this option. Check Google rankings once per day. So please note, this is done automatically, and all that you need to do is check this option. As you can see, in our case, the first live event does not rank in the first 50 results from Google. Of course, again, because this is just a dummy title description, it has no SEO in it. If you want to force to check Google rankings, you right click on the item and you click Check Google Rankings. I do not recommend to do this very often because Google can block you from returning rankings. So do this only once per day, or leave Live Event Blaster do its thing. Now, one of the greatest features from Live Event Blaster 2 is that it can maintain rankings. Now let's say that our live event ranked on the first page of Google. And let's say that after 1 month the ranking disappeared, so we are no longer on the first page but we are on the third page. If you go to Settings and check this option, if YouTube event loses Google page 1 rankings, duplicate the event and publish it again. So in case it will lose the first page ranking, Live Event Blaster 2 will automatically detect that, it will duplicate the event and it will automatically publish it on our account. So it will be that easy to maintain the rankings. After the new event will be published, there will be a great chance that that new event will rank on the first page of Google. So this is the best way to maintain rankings for a specific keyword. Now let me explain to you all the other options that you have when you right click on an event. So you can right click on an event and you can check the rank and the views. Now, in case you don't want to wait, in our case 90 days, so until June, for the live event to be streamed and to obtain a regular video, you can force Live Event Blaster to stream the video file to the live event by clicking on Start Live Streaming. So if you want to start the live streaming right now, right click and click on Start Live Streaming. If you don't and you want the video file to be streamed exactly on the scheduled date, make sure you have Live Event Blaster open and in settings that you check the option Auto Start Streaming Scheduled Events. If you do not check this option, Live Event Blaster will not stream the video file. So check this option if you want to auto start streaming. Now you can also right click to edit an item, you can view the item on YouTube, you can duplicate the item if you want, and another great feature is that you can mark the item as published. As you can see, our last item is not posted, so it's just added in Live Event Blaster. But in case you already added the live event on YouTube manually and you want to edit in Live Event Blaster, make sure you edit, enter the exact title, description and tags as you have on the YouTube event, and then click on Mark as Published. Right here you need to enter the video ID of your existing live event. So let's say that this is the ID of our YouTube event, we hit save, and as you can see it's marked as posted right now. We can start the streaming if we want, and we can check the YouTube rankings for our already uploaded live event. You can also right click to force check Google rankings. You can also delete an item for Live Event Blaster, or you can delete the item both from Live Event Blaster and from YouTube. So if you already published the live event on YouTube but you don't like it, you can delete it automatically by using this function. You can also export the title and the video links of the selected items or copy the links to clipboard. So that's it. I explained every feature from Live Event Blaster. You need to start adding items, focus on quality title, description and tags, and start publishing items on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching this video.